Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my today's video, we shall learn how to balance a chemical equation. So the first question we shall learn is CH4 plus O2 gives rise to CO2 plus H2O. This is one of the unbalanced equation. You need to make it as a balanced. So let me write this CH4 as A and O2 as B and CO2 as C and H2O as D. Now we need to compare both the side. I need to note it down as A is equals to C and 4A is equals to 2D, 2B is equals to 2C plus D. So let A is equals to 1, C is equals to 1. What is the D value? D value is also 2, and if you put the value of C and B and C and D in this equation, you will get B is equals to 2. So the balanced one is CH4 plus 2O2 gives rise to CO2 plus 2H2O. So this is one of the complete balanced one. This is a complete balanced one. You can cross check in any of the method. The balanced one is CH4 plus 2O2 gives us to CO2 plus 2H2O. You can do in any method. So this is one of the method which I have told you. By using the above method, same you can solve this also. That is Al plus Fe3N2 gives rise to Aln plus Fe. So just for this equation you need to balance it. Just put it as A and then B and then C and then D. So A is equals to C, 3B is equals to D, 2B is equals to D, 2B is equals to C. So this is the three equations. So let A is equal to 1, C is equal to 1, so B is equal to 1 by 2 you will get, so D is equal to 3 by 2 you will get. So put those values in this equation, you will get it as Al plus 1 by 2 Fe3N2 gives rise to Aln plus 3 by 2 Fe. So this is one of the balanced equation. You can just cross check in any of the method. This will be the balanced one. Crisscross in any method, you will get the same balanced equation. So the next one is P4O10 plus H2O gives rise to H3PO4. So put the same way, A, B and C. 4A is equals to C and then 10A plus B is equals to 4C and then 2B is equal to 3C. So let A is equals to 1, C is equals to 4. And what is the B value? If you put the value of A here and value of the C here, you will get B is equal to 6 and A, B, C. Exactly you got it. You just put it on here. AP4O10 plus 6H2O gives rise to 4H3PO4. If you know any other method, just crisscross this and check it. You will get the same equation. That is P4O10 plus 6H2O gives rise to 4H3PO4. Next question is PCl5 plus H2O gives rise to H3PO4 plus HCl. So note it down as A, B, C and D. The same way A is equal to C and exactly 5A is equals to D and then 2B is equal to 3C plus D and then B is equal to 4C. So here A is equals to C. This is C. Okay. So let if A is equal to 1, what is the C value? C value is also 1. D value is also 5. And what is the B value? B value is also 4. So just write it down here. That is PCl5 plus what is the B value? 4H2O gives rise to what is the C value? 1, that is H3PO4 plus what is the D value? That is 5HCl. So this is one of the complete balanced equation. Just cross check in any other method, the same you will get it. Next one is HCl plus NaOH gives rise to NaCl plus H2O. So just put the same, I think it is in a balanced one, we'll just crisscross this one, A, B, C, D. A is A plus B is equals to 2D, and then here A is equals to C, and then B is equals to C, and then B is equal to D. So if you put the value of A is equal to 1, C is also 1 you will get, B also 1 you will get, exactly D also 1 you will get. So this is in the balanced one. This is exactly in the balanced one. This is itself in the balanced one. So the next one is, the last one is Fe2O3 plus C gives rise to Fe plus CO2. It is also easy one. Just the ABCD method you need to use. Put it as A, B, C and D. So here 2A is equal to C, 3A is equal to 2D, B is equal to D. So if A is equals to 1, let A is equal to 1, C is equal to 2. And then if you put A is equal to 1 here, you will get D is equal to 3 by 2. What is the B value? B value is also the same, 3 by 2. Just balance it. Fe2O3 plus 3 by 2C gives rise to, and what is the C value? 2Fe plus what is the D value? 3 by 2 CO2. So it is completely in the balanced one. Just crisscross in any other method, you will get the same balanced equation. So the 6 examples I have solved it. I hope you understood, and this is one of the easy method which you can solve it, and you will get current balanced equation. A very perfect balanced equation you will get if you solve in this method. So if you completely like my video, please like my channel, and please don't forget to share to your friends, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.
Bye.